Hey Rax.
Hey Rex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. My name is Jay.
And I am Trent. Make sure you like, comment, share. Whatever you see here, don't have to stare. It's okay to share it. Please turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this Jamaican food we're about to chow down. Listen, Jay is over here doing a whole dance to the welcome back. I didn't even know we had a dance routine for the welcome back. But this morning, as you can see, there's 2 juice and there's a tea. So I'm not by myself. My honey is joining me. Come on, honey.
Hi guys.
Hey, Rex.
I'm back. I'm back. Okay. So as Trent told you, I was doing a little dance. So I might
A whole dance routine, Rex. A whole dance, twerking and everything was in it. I did not know there was a dance routine to the welcome back.
It came to me.
You're gonna have to show me that.
Yeah,
But get into
we'll
it.
choreograph.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say grace, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about what we're having today. Okay. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. So as Trent told you, we're having Jamaican food.
Jamaican food. Jamaican breakfast.
Jamaican breakfast. This is Jamaica's national dish. Ackee and saltfish. One of our favorites. So yeah, let's get into it.
And she have a tea here, mint and lemon tea.
Look at that beauty.
And I'm gonna go ahead and drink a ginger beer, Jamaican ginger beer. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we have not had this dish in a long time.
Yeah, it's
So
been
we're about to
quite
see
a minute.
Mm-hmm.
And this is fried dumpling. I think everybody should know about fried dumpling. If not, it's pretty much flour and you fry it up. Oh, it's nice and soft.
Oh yeah.
See? Look at that. Oh.
Mm. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Traditionally, you don't have to eat it with anything but your hands. Except for the ackee, you need a spoon or a fork or something. Your choice. Mm-hmm. I really just wanted the oil. This is good.
This is our breakfast.
Yep, breakfast.
I think Jamaicans eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Mm-hmm.
I think it doesn't matter.
Mm-mm. You can have it with rice. You can have it with boiled dumpling and banana. Yam. Wow.
Look at that guy.
There's plenty of stuff to have it with. I know you have an Ackee story from when you were growing up.
Ackee story?
Mm-hmm.
Now what? We used to climb Ackee tree? I
Yeah,
used to climb the Ackee tree.
like bush and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. No?
I don't know. I used to climb the Ackee tree and pick Ackee because these rats, these come in the what is that? On the tree in Jamaica. In America they sell it in a can. In Jamaica, we climb the tree to pick it. Up here we go to the store and buy it.
Things and times have changed.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Very.
How about your Ackee story?
Well, I was born in some place that more people call country in Jamaica. So there's Ackee tree pretty much everywhere. So Not that I used to climb it, but I used to be there when they're picking it and stuff like that. Like to catch it and stuff. Yeah. And then I used to peel it. All this stuff. You remember when they used to pick ackee when it was really, really young and sell it anyways? Back in the days.
You used to do that? You used to sell illegal ackee?
No, but I'm just saying. I was asking you if you remember when they used to do. You such a.
No, you're the only one that ever asked me that question about ackee.
No, but you
was
remember
out
they
there
used
selling
to do
illegal
it.
ackee.
No, I'm not saying they didn't used to do it in country, but. I personally partake in anything illegal when it
Talk
came
the
to
truth
ackee.
for what it's worth. Say the truth for what it's worth. You was out there selling illegal ackee.
You know, so Jamaican people say wish and stuff here, right? I know Jamaican police can't say wish and stuff here. I mean, I think there's statute of limitation and stuff like that, you know.
Don't blame me. You the one that says you was picking that
No,
young ackee.
no.
You said you was picking the young ackee off the tree and selling illegal ackee.
I specifically asked you if you remember when they was doing it back in the days.
No. You the only one that remember that. Why do you remember that? You're the only one that remember that.
Guys,
is ackee a fruit or a thing there? What is ackee?
I think it's
a vegetable.
No, I think it's a fruit.
You think so?
I think so. You wanna Google it?
Well, on which day normally they will make ackee where you're from?
Yeah, make it any day really.
Mine was mostly on a Sunday.
Yeah, mostly on Sunday because it's like, you know, it's the ideal Sunday breakfast, really. But mostly on Sunday. But due to the fact that it was free because it grew on a tree.
It was free back then. It was free now. It was free when you were selling illegal ackee with us.
And you still bring it back up again? You talking about me throwing you under the bus? You do that all the time, and you don't even do it in the right way.
What do you
do
mean?
it in the way I could get arrested.
Why would they? I don't get that.
Because there's no statutes of limitation with certain things.
With ackee?
Yes.
With young ackee?
I would like to think so.
I guess.
Yeah, let's say it again.
Yeah. Going up to what you was doing.
I'm not saying that I was doing it, but I'm saying I remember times when people used to do it because things was hard. And they couldn't wait until the ackee ripe. So, you know.
So you picked the ackee when it was closed. And
then kind of like wrap it up in a something.
You stand up down at the market. You stand up down at the market. And you say.
No, me personally. No, hold on. Me personally, I have to clarify this.
You said you used to go to the riverbank. Pick ackee naked. That's what I heard. That's what I heard.
No, I'm not saying no. I'm not saying no. I didn't say I was down by the riverbank naked though. That part of it, I'm not. But I am saying
And you said no, they're looking for you because you used to sell Ackee. That's what I'm trying to figure out what you said.
I feel like they are.
Oh yeah, guys, we completely forget that we have a
avocado. Hold on. I want to join you. Hold on. That's like a thumbnail, you know, right?
Like a thumbnail.
That's a pretty good
Let's
thumbnail.
taste it though.
Yeah. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad at all. Yeah. That's good.
So, let me get this straight now. I'm dating a serial Ackee thief. I want to know what's going on because I want to know.
I did not say that I was an Ackee thief.
You said you will go to the bank, pick the Ackee neck in. The young Ackee, not even the full one, the young Ackee. Because rocks, they have full and young Ackee in Jamaica.
If the Ackee is closed, you're not supposed to eat it. You gotta wait until it's open.
But you used to sell it when it's closed.
I did not sell Ackee. I did not sell Ackee, and on top of it, I would not sell Ackee that is closed. It's not good for your stomach. Is it? There's a reason I don't tell you anything, you know?
But.
There's no but to it.
But 20 seconds ago, you said you used to go to the riverbank. Get naked.
No, I'm not menace. Listen, I'm menace. I never used to get rid. No, I'm not saying menace. I never used to go river. I did. And we used to do the whole naked stuff and thing too. But
right.
Are
you can naked climb the tree?
I the tree with the naked.
That's right. And you didn't. You didn't.
You don't want to scratch us.
You didn't. And you got the closed Ackee and you went and sold it to the people then. In the market.
You know Ackee costs a lot of money, right?
How much is it?
It's expensive.
How much?
I don't know right now, but Ackee is expensive.
This avocado tastes good. So you say right now you never used to. Yeah. Are you saying that you never used to do the Ackee thing?
I'm not saying I didn't pick it.
You know, I could remember one time I went to the market and I bought Ackee.
Don't make it seem like I'm here by Ackee from. Do not let it seem like I'm here by the Ackee from and the Ackee never good. Come and tell us that I never used to sell Ackee.
I bought Ackee and when I went home the Ackee was closed. That was you. That was you, Jay. You sold me that Ackee. That's the thing about it.
Just as I said, back in the day, things and times was hard. You know?
So you were selling Ackee in the market. That's what I want to clarify.
No.
That
I knew.
That Mitren
I knew a few people.
Is dating a serial Ackee.
I'm just saying, I knew a few people back in the days that would do certain things like that. You know?
Like who?
I can't pick the name like that. Why make you always want me snitch out the thing? And because I snitch when you think me a snitch.
You snitch out the thing anyway.
No, because I snitch when you think me a snitch, no.
You snitch the thing anyway, Joe.
Yeah, not the people like that. And if them a watch door, I got in the back.
Oh.
The people that I grew up with, yeah.
Guys, comment below and tell us What your favorite food as a kid? What?
If you realize I've been drinking from 2 cups today. One is the tea. The other is, and I do so because I cannot drink something hot without drinking something cold. So, yeah, we leave you with that. I hope you have a wonderful day today. I hope you smile bright today. I hope despite what the weather is, you're feeling happy.
Until we see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time, have a happy time, put laughter in your
Smile,
life.
guys.
It will light it up.
Bye, guys.